The Rack Shop is proud to present this 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma with the short bed. We've just installed the Thule Xsporter Pro truck bed rack. So this rack is a no drill installation, mounts to your bed rail using these vehicle specific clamps. So this system consists of the truck rack itself, part number 500 XTB, and also track kit XK4B. These are also all available in a silver finish as well. So this is a height adjustable rack, which you can see here is in actually the lowest position possible for this truck due to the limitations of the truck bed design, but it is adjustable using the interior knobs. Locks are included. On the inside of the uprights are numbers, so you can use those to help level out your system from side to side. So a great system for all sorts of gear. Load stops are included, a set of 4 of those. Load capacity of up to 450 pounds on these 2 crossbars. So again, this is the lowest position, but you can raise it up higher if you want more clearance for your cab. But overall, this is just a good system for this truck to carry lots of different cargo. So for more details, pricing, and availability, click on the link in the description below. I'll take you back to our website where you can purchase this whole bundle with just a few clicks. So that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.